Hey guys, today we're looking at the Canon FD 85mm f1.8 and how well it performs on the a7 Mark III. I am Dessyclef and welcome to my channel. In 1971, Canon released the FD mount to replace the FL mount. In the 22 years production run of this mount, a variety of focal length lenses were released, including this prestigious 85mm f1.8. Besides being an all-metal constructed manual lens, this lens was created with a unique spectral coating that minimizes ghosting and chromatic aberration. But that's not all. Today we are going to try this 40-year-old legacy lens on the recently released Sony a7 Mark III and find out how well it performs on this camera. Let's get in. To mount the Canon 85mm f1.8 on the Sony a7 Mark III, there is the need to use a FD to NAX adapter like the one I have here. Find the red dot on the adapter, find the red dot on the lens. Put those two together and twist the silver part of the FD lens known as the breech lock to the direction where lock is written. Then you align the red dot on the adapter to the white dot on the a7 Mark III. Twist those two together and voila, the lens is mounted. The Canon FD 85mm f1.8 is a very sharp lens on the a7 Mark III. It shows a high resolving power to keep images perfectly sharp from the center all the way to the edges of the frame. I can't say it's the sharpest vintage lens ever, as I haven't tried every vintage lenses that there is. But I must admit that I was impressed by its ability to render sharp images. Despite its age, the focusing ring is very smooth and allows for easy focus pull. Telephoto lenses can impose some difficulties when trying to achieve a non-shaky footage. But with the help of the in-camera stabilization of the a7 Mark III, it can almost be impossible to have a shaky footage. Canon FD lenses are full-frame lenses, so I don't have to worry about vignetting or whatsoever. That also means when using the Super 35 mode, with the same lens, I would be shooting at 127mm. Wow! Manual focusing on a gimbal can be a very big task, but with the help of the servo focus system, that is no longer a problem. Shooting in low light with this lens at f1.8 is a beauty to behold, and probably the reason why I feel this lens can compete with its modern exotic counterparts. This lens is affordably well priced. The quality and performance in some situations is close, if not equal to that of its modern counterparts. I would recommend you try out this lens if you're on a budget and you want a good performer for your mirrorless camera. Thank you for watching and see you less. Comment, like and subscribe if you haven't already. And please try stay alive for my next video. Peace.